Hello friends, and welcome to AK Agrawal Aptitude series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem on permutation and combination. Here the given problem is, in how many different ways can the letters of the word reading be arranged in such a way that the vowels occupy only the end position. Now here the three vowels must occupy the end position. Now there are three vowels E, A, I. These three vowels can be treated as one letter. They must occupy the end position. So at the end, these E, A, I can be arranged in factorial three ways. These three letters or three vowels are at the end, but at the end itself they can be arranged in factorial three ways. Means 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 6 ways. The different ways means EAI, it may be AEI, IAE, etc. and etc. In 6 different ways these three vowels can be arranged at the end, and remaining 4 consonants are there. These 4 consonants are R, D, N, G. These 4 consonants can be arranged in factorial 4 ways, that is 24 ways. So total number of ways is equal to 6 into 24 is equal to 144. So these reading the various letters of reading can be arranged in 124 ways, so that vowels are always at the end position. Now if we slightly change this problem, in place of reading let us take a word Agrawal. In how many different ways can the letters of the word Agrawal be arranged in such a way that the vowels occupy only the end position? What will be the answer? Now here let us fill these details. What are the different vowels? A, A. So there are 3 A. Vowels A can be treated as one letter. These 3 vowels A are at the end, and they can be arranged in factorial 3 upon factorial 3 in one way. So A or AAA means there will be only one way in which these 3 vowels can be arranged at the end. Factorial 3 ways divided by factorial 3 is equal to one way. Remaining 4 consonants G, R, W, L, they can be arranged in factorial 4 ways, or 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 24 ways. So total number of ways is equal to 1 into 24 is equal to 24 ways. Answer is 24. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. You can also follow me on Facebook. Thank you very much.